This timeless Camaro wraps crisp blue, white, and black aesthetics around a 4-speed driveline and 396 cubic inches of fire-breathing V8. Looking for some tough Motown metal that's tempered to perfection? Look no further. The beneficiary of a nut and bolt restoration, this slick first-gen F-body prowls the boulevard as a highly appealing muscle car that's clean, mean, and ready to roar. The meticulous rebirth began with a sturdy profile that was decked in vivid LeMans Blue 2-stage, dressed in attractive Super Sport trim and dashed with traditional Super Sport stripes. And that pigment looks especially captivating wrapped around aggressive rally sport styling. Open the doors and you'll find a stylish houndstooth interior that's been lovingly restored. At the center of the car, a vinyl-trimmed bench complements Deluxe bucket seats. A wood-trimmed dash hangs fully rebuilt gauges next to an old-school Delco radio. Fresh carpet frames a wood-trimmed console that's finished with a polished Hurst shifter and 4-pack accessory gauges. And turns get transmitted through a standard Super Sport steering wheel. Pop the Cowl Induction Hood and you'll find 396 cubic inches of date-correct big block that was carefully rebuilt during the recent restoration. Behind that mill, a proven Muncie M20 4-speed twist torque to a requisite 12-bolt axle. Built for the traditional muscle car fan, this awesome Camaro is the perfect opportunity to bask in the spoils of owning an attractive, well-restored classic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.